Khawakha phela sikhona siyi-Durban Network uyazi sikutshele sathi sokunikeza konke okukhona njengamanje nginoManqoba Sibiya we-Ashley United iyona-ke i-team elandelayo from igame edlalayo njengamanje but ngiyabona iy'nsizwa ziyayi-prepare ukhochi wena mqeqeshi we-team kungakube isisindo sale ndebekazi enkulu kangako sisho ukuthini kuwena?
Isisindo sale tournament sisho ukukhulu kumina i-opportunity leyo ukuthi abafana bayiveze ngathi siveze ukuthi yini esikwazi ukuyenza. So I'm very grateful ngale opportunity and I'm looking forward ekutheni igame izohamba kanjani.
Mhlawumbe sikhulume ngama-preparations ke eniwenzile as a team knowing very well ukuthi wonke umuntu ozala uza with a full blast of winning this tournament.
It's been very difficult angeke ngiqamba amanga players being available and not being available siplana phezu kwabo sometimes bangabi khona bakhansele bekunzima kakhulu but ngomusa kaNkulunkulu sikwazile ukuthi sigcine sibe nayo i-team engicabanga ukuthi is very capable ukuthi ngenza noma yini kule tournament.
Obvious umbuzo wami olandelayo bekuyiwona ukuthi asikhulume nge-fitness yabadlali because vele it's always take process ukuhlanganisa abadlali okuwukuthi uzobasebenzisa kwi-tournament at this magnitude.
Yeah, we have ama-players are experienced within i-team yethu nabancane but i-hard work abanayo it doesn't separate very well ukuthi khona abantu abadala nabancane. It's like sinabantu abadala bonke so they are very fit and ready.
Tell us, how long have you been with this team?
Basically it's like a month now because my players and my team are originally adlala kuona but some of them, majority I should say abantu engibaziyo vele that we've been working together throughout the year.
Philosophy as far as approaching the game is concerned.
No, what I can say is kulama games akanje it's the game that tells you how you should approach it. You might have a plan to go but the opponent might have to change your mind. So ekugcineni it's fine nawe tactically ube ready ngayo yonke indlela ube nama plans wonke. Plan B ufawuhlezi unawo because uplan A wakho ungangasebenza. So ngicabanga ukuthi si right njengama tactics angeke ngikwazi ukuthi ngithi for the game this is how we're going to do or this is what we might not do. We have the plan kodwa for this game but if the game demands something else then we have to change.
Good luck for the game, bro.
Thank you very much.
Okay, mfethu.
Sure.
Besikhona si-Durban Network umfoka Sibiya lo sikhona ke si-Durban Network. Danko.